welcome back to my channel. My name is Devyn and today I'll be doing a very exciting video. I will be trying to dye my hair pink. Now when I say dye my hair, it's like a semi-permanent type of color and it's in a conditioner form. So today I'll be using a fun product. One of my friends told me about it. I looked it up on Amazon and it had really awesome reviews. And I mean, guys, let's face it, I have nothing to lose. I'm stuck here at home, self-quarantining just like everybody else. And so I figured I might as well do something that I've always wanted to do for a really long time, and that's dye my hair pink. Again, dye my hair pink. It's not like permanent. I think it lasts a few weeks, but I'm really excited for it. So the product I'm talking about is the KeraColor Clenditioner, and it's in the color Hot Pink. So this is the color it's supposed to look like, and it's supposed to be a way that you color your hair while basically cleansing as well. And so it's a non-lather conditioner cleanser designed to instantly infuse color into hair. Obviously it's gonna work better on blondes, and I'm obviously a brunette, and so this is really gonna be a test to see if this really works for brunette hair or dark hair. And so you can see my hair is not like black, it's not light, so it's just like a medium brown color, and you can see it's a little bit lighter on the ends. And so I'm hoping to go for like an ombre type of balayage look. So we'll see. You're supposed to use it on dry hair if you really want to get high pigmentation. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. I don't know, I'm really excited. I figured I'd try hot pink and hope that it'll just look like a light pink type of color since my hair is darker. So I do wanna mention this video is not sponsored. KeraColor does not even know that I exist. I paid this with my own money. It was a total of $20-ish on Amazon. There's a ton of other colors on KeraColor's website. You can find it at Ulta or Amazon, which is where I purchased it. Okay guys, enough talking, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair. I'm gonna start with the bottom first. So I have my hair parted right here, but we can worry about that later. So I'm just going to part it like probably right above the ear. And I'm just gonna have my shirt on the whole time, hope for the best. So I'm just going to do it just like that. Same with the other side here. Look, pink clips for pink hair. I'm going to, okay, woo! Do you see that? Here, I'm gonna show you guys in the little finder here. That's what it looks like. So it's definitely dark pink. I saw online that it could definitely get really, ooh, this is gonna be messy, like on your fingers and stuff. So I'm just gonna like sort of lean over my sink here just in case. I don't want to get like my countertop stained or whatever. I mean, you can bleach it out, but still. So I'm just gonna focus on the ends here. It smells super good, guys. Like it smells like strawberries. Maybe it's just because it's pink, but I'm gonna like rub it between my fingers here. And I guess since I'm working my fingers through my hair, it's gonna be more like highlighted balayage type of look, I guess. And then again, just divide probably into 2 more sections for the top. I can't get over how good it smells. This is what my fingers currently look like. I made sure to not have nail polish on. Alright guys, so I'm going to clip my hair. Okay, so just a little update. So my hands didn't really stain, but like my nail beds sort of did. So I'm gonna try and remove that with acetone while this sits for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, so it's been about 45 minutes or so. I decided I didn't want to leave it on for like a full hour because there was plenty of the pink conditioner left over that I can just do more of this if I want it to be more vibrant next time, because it's starting to get a little bit more dry, if you will. So I'm going to take it down so you can see what it looks like. Let's see. It smells so good, guys. So you can see there is definitely something in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, wash all off, and then show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the next morning. I just rolled out of bed. I am so tired. So you guys are seeing me with no makeup and with a morning face. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But my hair is dry and I wanted to show you what it's looking like. So the sun's really coming through. I figured that would give you the best look at the tone of my hair. That might be better. So you can see it's still like brown on top because I really did the product on the bottom. Like if you're looking from afar, it still looks brown, right? But if you look up close, you can see like the tones, and some pieces are pink. So you can sort of see what I'm talking about on my ends. So it really does feel like a rose goldy type of vibe, which I really like, and it's nothing crazy. It just sort of just is a tone of the bottoms of my hair. I want to go ahead and do another treatment or conditioning treatment to see, because apparently the more that you do it, the more intense it can look. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the second treatment, let it sit in my hair while I cook some breakfast, wash it out, and then I'll show you guys the difference. But so far I really like it. All right guys, so this is the next day. I finally got around to styling my hair. So again, this is 2 washes of the KeraColor Clenditioner in hot pink, and I love the results, guys. I think it's just super fun. You can see some of the coloring is really popping on the bottom, and I just think it's super fun. To me, it just feels like almost like a strawberry tint to my hair. So it's definitely not hot pink. It feels like rose gold strawberry goodness at the bottom, and I just think it's so fun. I'm very glad that I did the second color wash because I think it's a little bit more vibrant, and I'm right in front of the window so you guys can see it in the light. But how pretty is that, you guys? It's not red, it's like a strawberry color, like a pinky red. I would say it was super easy to use. I definitely recommend doing it on dry hair. It did not get messy anywhere. My fingernails did not stain. It came out after I washed my hair in the shower, which it did not stain my shower one bit. So I'll have a link to my description box if you want it. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm not gonna get money if you buy the product. So yeah, it was super user friendly. I thought the price was really good. I still have probably half the bottle left, so I can continue to keep this up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And also make sure to come and follow me on Instagram. That's where I sort of give you guys more updates on my life, and you guys can see more of this rosy hair in action. I like to post a bunch of recipes and stuff like that. So yeah, come and follow me. It's just Life by Devyn. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.